A lot of people are probably wondering what it'll be like as we go throughout the week, especially as we get to weekend 2. This is what it's like outside right now. You can actually see that we do have just a couple of clouds still up in the sky, at least within the metro area. But for any of those in Llano, in Mason, in San Saba, and Gillespie County, they're getting the bulk of the cloud coverage here. I'll zoom out a bit more to show you the rest of the state of Texas. As far as rainfall, the only rainfall we have right now is along the Panhandle from about Midland up to Amarillo and into Oklahoma, and then along the coast as well. But nothing major right now, nothing severe. Current temperatures at this point still in the low 80s in many spots, 83 degrees in Austin, 82 in Bastrop, San Marcos, waking up with us 85 degrees. Well, not waking up, it's 11:19. Or maybe you are waking up, and that'd be okay too. 81 in Llano and 80 degrees in Fredericksburg. As we can see with the satellite and radar for this afternoon, we kept a 10% chance of rainfall because at about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you may get 1 or 2 little sprinkles here or there. I don't see very much actually building up, but you may see a dark cloud moving through. So at least I've put that on your radar as well. But I do want to fast forward to tomorrow because that actually has a better chance of seeing a few showers. Now, I'm only putting on a 20% chance of rain here, kicking off at about 12 o'clock, lasting with us through the afternoon. We'll get 1 or 2 that may pop up here, may pop up there. That continues to about 6 p.m. and then everything starts to fizzle out one more time. So at least, again, I've at least warned you about the possibility of that 20% chance of maybe an isolated shower or 2. By the time we get to Wednesday, we drop that back down to about 10%. But if you're wondering, does that mean I'm going to get widespread showers? The answer, unfortunately, is no. And in fact, even as we look at the amount of rainfall we could receive over the next 7 days, this is literally the most empty spot across the United States where you could get 2 inches of rain is to get into about Tennessee and Kentucky. 3 inches just off the coast, the eastern coast. But as far as Texas, we are in the most dry spot out of everything. Temperatures for today will be at around 94 degrees. We'll still see plenty of sunshine. It's still going to be hot out there. And in fact, even as we look at Thursday into Friday into Saturday and Sunday for ACL, again, just nothing but dry air that continues to filter through. We have a high pressure system that just continues to dominate and really make things impossible for any showers to really build and take hold. So your 7-day forecast will go like this: 94 for today, 93 for tomorrow. There's that 20% chance of rain. We'll drop to about 92 to 91 as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. And wouldn't it be nice if it stayed at about 91 into the weekend? But unfortunately, we'll be back up to 93 to 94. So take sunscreen and drink plenty of water for ACL weekend 2.